Let me guide you on editing your voice in InShot on your phone. As you can see here, we'll explore the steps to enhance your audio creatively. First, open InShot and add a video. Next, either record directly in the app or use your microphone to capture audio, as you can see here. Record directly in InShot or simply turn on your microphone and record over a video, as you can see here, to start editing your voice. Record over the video. After this, you can edit. For example, once your voice is recorded, you can adjust. Once your voice is recorded, you have various editing options. You can reduce the volume, make it quieter or louder. You can adjust the volume, making it softer or louder. You can also split the voice and, of course, delete it if needed, as you can see here. You can adjust the speed of the voice. For instance, if you want it faster or slower. To speak faster, set speed to 2 times or even 10 times. As you can see, this is all you need to do to achieve the desired effect. Next, you can modify your voice to sound deeper, like a bass, or higher, like a soprano. As you can see here, this feature allows you to creatively alter the pitch, adding a unique touch to your recordings for a personalized effect. You can use built-in mic for sounds, as you can see here, or add effects to enhance your audio creatively and uniquely. Choose cool, diverse features, as you can see here. You can also make a copy. Now let's move to the next step. You can make a copy, as you can see here, and even add some effects, like echo or reverb, to enhance the sound creatively and uniquely, as shown here. Add effects creatively, like making a woman's voice sound robotic or unique, as shown here, alien, and so on. That's all. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck, and take care, as you can see. Goodbye, everyone. Take care and see you next time, friends.